Hello, my dear students. This is Abhishek Mishra, Faculty of Social Studies at Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. So, this is my third video for class 11th Political Science, chapter number 1, Constitution, Why and How. In my last video, we had seen the mode of promulgation of the Constitution. There we had learned that if the Constitution is made by some unpopular leaders, so it's not directly accepted by the people. In this video, we are going to discuss the substantive provisions of a constitution. Means what are the fundamental provisions of a constitution. So let's start. It is the landmark of a successful constitution that it gives everyone in society some reason to go along with its provisions. Means there should be something in your constitution that should encourage people to follow constitution willingly. A constitution, now here a different topic is given that is directly associated with your last topic, mode of promulgation. It is a case study of a country so called as Nepal, that in Nepal the constitution was made by some unpopular leaders, or you can say the monarch of Nepal. So it was not accepted by the people, and since 1948 they made their constitution again and again and again in different years. So here we can say the constitution should be made by such kind of leaders who are going to write the basic interest of the people in their constitution, so people will also follow their constitution. Now coming back to our previous topic, that was the substantive provision. A constitution that for instance allowed some permanent majorities to oppress minority groups within society would give minorities no reason to go along with the provision of the constitution. Or a constitution that systematically privileged some members at the expense of others, or that systematically entrenched the power of small groups in society, would cease to command allegiance. Means if the constitution of your country has been made to give more preferences to the majority community, or if it has been made on the cost of minority community, so the minority community is never going to follow the constitution at all. In class 10th, chapter number 1, power sharing, we had seen that in Sri Lanka the constitution was made on the cost of Tamil community. Their Tamil community was not given much preferences than the Sinhala community, because Sinhala was in majority. So if the constitution would be favoring only and only to the majority community, there will be no foundation of the constitution for the minority community to follow it. If any group feels their identity is being stifled, they will have no reason to abide by the constitution. No constitution by itself achieves perfect justice, but it has to convince people that it provides the framework for pursuing basic justice. So if the demands of the minority community will not be fulfilled, if they will think that their identity is stifled, so they are never going to accept the constitution. It is not the constitution that does a perfect justice. It is the opinion of the people. It is the firm faith of the people that made a constitution effective, and then it works to give the perfect verdict to the suppressed people. Now, do this thought experiment. Ask yourself this question: what would be the content of some basic rules in society such that they gave everyone a reason to go along with them? The more a constitution preserves the freedom and equality of all its members, the more likely is to be succeeded. Does the Indian constitution, broadly speaking, give everyone a reason to go along with its broad outlines? After studying this book, one should be able to answer this question in the affirmative. Yes, I can surely say that Indian constitution is giving equality and liberty to one and all. It is not the constitution that is seizing the power or the identity from the minority community, and it has been told to you that when you will read this book completely, you will give answer in affirmative. Now, so I am quitting this video right now. This is enough for today. So rest of the topics will be covered in my next video. Thank you.